Whakatau Pōtiki, te Tupuhi Nui. As the population of Hawaii grew and resources became scarce, Chief Whakatau Pōtiki and his son Rongomai left in search of new lands. Settling in Tā Porapora, Nukurua, now known as Aotearoa, Rongomai married a beautiful woman. As his success grew, so did the resentment of his wife's people, who plotted to kill him. Rongomai's jealous in-laws invited them out fishing. Oblivious to their plan, Rongomai agreed, but never made it home. Whakatau Pōtiki heard that his son Rongomai had drowned and was shocked into disbelief. Rongomai had sailed many rough seas without harm. How could he have drowned in a river? Whakatau Pōtiki suspected that his son Rongomai was murdered, and out of revenge, conjured the great wave, or te Tupuhi Nui. Te Tupuhi Nui was so monstrous, it came crashing down over Tā Porapora, mercilessly killing Rongomai's in-laws. Tā Porapora, the place where canoes are overturned and the women are made widows. To this day, on the tomokanga, or the gateway of Ōrākei marae, stands the rangatira Whakatau Pōtiki, who stands guard for his iwi and their marae.